The Translational Energy Research Centre here is a national facility for green energy research that's hosted at the University of Sheffield. We have four key areas of research: biomass, carbon capture, sustainable aviation fuel and hydrogen. It comes across that there's a lot of engineering capability within the IMI group to underpin the offer that was being made. Facets that came over from IMI is their extensive experience in a regulated industry. So having that background in oil and gas, we knew that the equipment that they deliver is going to be built in a safe manner and would offer a well-engineered solution. Collaboratively with the IMI design engineering team and also the plant installation team here, we came to a way of actually solving those problems and ending up with a fully engineered artefact ready for usage. One of the key issues that we had to solve was actually delivering the infrastructure that supports the electrolyser installation, but is equally as important and essential to have that infrastructure in place to be able to then use the electrolyser. I would recommend working with IMI Vivo based on our experience of working with the design and engineering team, the level of collaboration, the level of flexibility, and also the smoothness with which the engineering installation proceeded. It isn't just a one-off engineering installation. We intend to collaborate in the future with the company. Since this electrolyser has been installed, we've actually had a plan all along to have various pieces of equipment connected to it. So we've actually cross-connected the supply from this electrolyser into our existing hydrogen generation and storage. So we have a backup system such that we can feed hydrogen from one system into the other and then compress it up to 200 bar for usage in some of our other equipment.